Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What stuck out to him most was the reason why Roy was retiring. His belief that he's no longer the right man for the job. It's almost like you want to take him and shake him and be like, "Coach, yes you are. You're the man for this job," said Williams.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Now Williams is retiring, leaving the Tar Heels again with a resume chock full of honors. As a Hall of Famer with more than 900 wins, 3 national championships and a legacy built on 33 seasons of success at 2 of college basketball's most storied programs. It has been a thrill.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hubert Davis. North Carolina assistant Hubert Davis hired to replace Roy Williams as next Tar Heels coach. North Carolina has hired UNC assistant coach Hubert Davis to replace Roy Williams as the school's next men's basketball coach, the school announced Monday afternoon.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Davis, a guard who still holds the record for highest three-point shooting percentage at UNC, was drafted 20th overall by the New York Knicks in 1992. He also played for the Toronto Raptors, Mavericks, Washington Wizards, Detroit Pistons and Brooklyn Nets before retiring in 2004.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.